Are you having a bug problem in your house? It could be ants, it could be roaches, it could be rats, it could be termites. And you're wondering, is this something I can take care of myself, or do I need to call a professional? And valid question. Do I need a pest control company? This question can be answered, but there are a variety of factors. First of all, we need to find out if you qualify to do your own pest control service. And no, don't worry. I don't mean with fancy certifications. Are you a do-it-yourself type of person? Pest control is a trade profession, like plumbing. Can you do it? This depends on you and your ability. Doing it yourself means exactly that. You'll be doing all the work. Important to know this before you start. Make sure you feel comfortable doing the work. This isn't necessarily going to be fun, glamorous. You might even need to get dirty from crawling around in an attic. Do you have the time? This is something else to consider. Identifying, controlling, and maintaining pest problems takes time and routine maintenance. It's not simply turning off a light switch. Controlling pests to an acceptable standard may take days, weeks, or longer. Depending upon where you live and the pest pressure, and even the type of bugs that you have, all play a role in how long it's going to take for you to control your home, and even what style of home you have. Especially if you do not have access to specialty products that are only available to licensed pest control professionals. Can I handle dealing with pests? Rats, roaches, spiders. A lot of people don't like these bugs, and you may be one of them. Honestly, ask yourself if you're okay with collecting rats that you have caught on a trap that you placed out. Rats are vectors for diseases, so you must handle them carefully and with gloves on. These are all things to consider before you start doing your own pest control service. Are these pests in your home or your business? This is something else to consider. If the answer is your home, then yeah, you can most likely do your own pest control services, depending upon what the pest is. If your problem is in a place of business, it's highly recommended you call a pest control provider. There are many reasons for this, but especially if you're a food handling establishment, if you're a restaurant, an ice cream shop, or you're just a food processing center, or are you a medical facility, doctor's offices, senior centers, retirement homes. If this is you, please hire a professional because there's just way too much potential liability. Do you qualify? Now that we've gone over a few things, are you the do-it-yourselfer? Do you have the time? Can you handle the bugs? Is your pest problem at your home? If you said yes to all of these, then congratulations. Let's see what types of bugs you can control yourself. You're on your way to doing your own pest control service. What type of pests can I take care of myself? You're probably watching this video saying, well, I have ants, I have roaches, but most general household pests, like ants, roaches, rats, and spiders, these can't be controlled on your own. Now, there are some exceptions to the rules, but most of these guys can be handled by yourself. Other pests that can be easily eliminated yourself are flies and stored product pests. If you have termites, pay close attention to what I'm going to say here. Don't attempt to eliminate termites yourself, please. There's just too much involved to even put into a video right now. Please. Termites require professional pest control companies that are licensed in your area to treat for you. Termite treatments are complex and they have liabilities attached to them, so leave the termites to your local, reputable pest control company. Recap. Do I qualify? Am I a do-it-yourself person? Do I have the time? Can I handle it? Is the pest inside my home? And they're not termites? Also, please do not forget something. Always call a pest control company if the bugs are out of business, the bugs are termites. Please, it's best to call a pest control company. You should also call a pest control company if you have a significant infestation. A good rule of thumb is that you're seeing more than a few pests every day. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to learn more.